dear students. Welcome to our computer class. Today we are going to continue our chapter MS PowerPoint 2010. In the previous class, we learned Introduction to PowerPoint and starting of MS PowerPoint, components and creating blind presentation. Dear students, now we are going to discuss our next topics. We know a slide is a single page in a presentation that contains text, picture, sound, or video. Now we are going to study adding picture on slides, adding a picture from clip art, and working with text. Let us move to our topics now. First one is adding picture on slides. For making our presentation attractive or beautiful, we can add some pictures there. For inserting a picture from file, first you click on the insert tab. Then click on the picture option. Click on the insert tab. Picture option is there. All the folders and drives are displayed there. Another dialog box displaying all the files and folders. Select any one picture and click on the insert option there. That picture is coming in your page and you can drag it for increasing or decreasing size. In that four corners there some dots are there. Just drag it for increasing and decreasing size. And for moving the picture from one place to another, just click on and drag there. Just click on and drag there for moving the picture from one position to another. Next topic, adding a picture from clip art. Adding picture from clip art. What is a clip art? Do you know what is a clip art? A clip art is the ready-made picture in your MS PowerPoint. It is a ready-made picture in your MS PowerPoint. For inserting a picture from clip art, first you click on the insert tab. There clip art option is there. See, clip art option is there. Click on there. In the left side there is a window is coming there. See that clip art. There is search box is there. Just search any one thing. Just flowers, cars, any one theme. Just search here. That corresponding pictures are displaying like this. Okay. It is a ready-made pictures. So only some pictures are displaying there. You can select from these pictures. I just write here flowers. Only two flower picture is there in the MS PowerPoint. So that two pictures are displaying there. And then after I just type here. Here I type there car. And then click on the go button. Only three car pictures are there in your PowerPoint. Just click on the car picture or just click on the picture. That picture is coming in your page. Just drag it for increasing and decreasing the size. Next topic is working with text. Working with text. Working with text means we can insert a text and then we can make the modification of the text like modifying font, deleting text, copying or cutting and pasting text, moving the text, moving the text box or placeholder, adding bullets and numbers to the list and alignment of text. For making any modification, first you write a text and select the text. For writing, just click there and start writing. And for selecting, just click on any place and then drag the mouse pointer. Just drag the mouse pointer, press and drag the mouse pointer. That text is selected. And for modifying font, see here in the home tab, their font option is there. For changing bold, click on the B, italic, I. This one is the font group. Just there are so many editing options are there. Just like a MS Word. For bold, click on B. For italic, I. Underline U. Then for changing the font style, click on there. In the top section there is a font style option is there. Click on there. Different styles are there. Click on any one style for changing the font style. And just near that size option, click on there. Font size is increasing. And for changing the font color, click on there. Here font color options are there. And then change the color of your font. This is in case, that lowercase, uppercase, the capital letter and small letter. Just select there and see AA, that's lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word and toggle case, that 4 or 5 cases are there. Click on there for changing that. And another one option is there. This one is increasing the size. Without the number, just press there, that size is increased. And then that small a, that size is decreased like this. Here you can decrease the size. These are the font formatting or font modifying options in PowerPoint. This one is a small line is in between the words. A small line is coming in the middle of the words. This is the formatting options. And then next one is deleting a text. To delete left of the cursor, press the backspace key. To delete right of the cursor, press delete key. Same, just press the delete key. Just click on any place. Just click on the mouse pointer after science, after E. Just press the backspace key. The E is erased. And here I just press the cursor in the after R. So just press the delete key, that S is removed. Next portion, copying or cutting and pasting a text. Copy means creating a duplicate copy of the text. Cutting means removing a text from one position and paste it in another position. For copying and cutting, click on the select the text and click on the clipboard group. There is a copy cut option is there. Cut it from there and paste it in another position. Next topic is moving the text. Moving means just move a text from one position to another position. For moving a text, first you select the text. After selecting, place the mouse over the text and drag it. Say, the cursor will show a small rectangle under the arrow mark. It shows the moving. After moving, you can release the mouse button. The text will move from first position to next position. Next topic is moving placeholders or text box. We can move the placeholders from one place to another. Same like we can move the text box also. Just check how to move it. See, click on the placeholder. Just click on the placeholder and drag the mouse pointer like this. Move it from one place to another. After clicking, the dotted lines are changed to solid lines. Then move it. Our next topic is adding bullets and numbers to a list. Or point out the topics or point out the explanation, we can add bullets or numbers in your text. For adding bullets and numbers, first you select your text. Their bullet option is there. This is the bullet option. See, change the different styles of bullets like this. See that bullets are coming in your text. Near the bullet option, there is numbering option is there. See, near the bullet option. Different types of numbers are there. Numbers that A, B, C, small letter, then capital letter, then Roman letter 1, 2, 3. The different numbering options are there. If you want to numbering that, you can click on the number option change it. This is bullets and number option. Next one is alignment of text. To make the text align to the left margin, right margin or both margins of the text box, click on the alignment button of the paragraph group. See, this is the paragraph group. Align text left, center, write and justify. Just click on the left align, it move to left, and center, it move to center, and right, it move to right, and then unjustify in the correct order of alignment. Only these much topics today. Today we studied about the inserting picture from file and inserting picture from clipboard and working with text. From this topic we have to study some keyboard shortcut also. I will give you that keyboard shortcuts. You can study it well. Okay. First one is to add a new slide. For adding a new slide, keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus M. And for copying a text, Ctrl plus C. For cutting, Ctrl plus X. And for pasting, Ctrl plus V. And the keyboard shortcut for left align, Ctrl plus L. And keyboard shortcut for right align, Ctrl plus R. For center align, Ctrl plus E, and for justify, Ctrl plus J. These are the keyboard shortcut from this topic. Today only these much portions. All of you take a textbook, read the chapter, page number 53 to 57 3 times. Today we learned the topic inserting picture from clipboard, inserting picture from file, and working with text. Read the chapter and study well. Thank you. Thank you.